L.J. Smith's linear metal panel system offers the newest look in modern stairway design and features pre-assembled panels for ease of installation. With multiple spacer newels, 5-rake and 7-level panel widths, there are plenty of options to accommodate your stair design. This video will cover installing our metal panel system on an open tread stair with a landing. Begin by drilling 3 evenly spaced 3/8-inch holes through both vertical ends of each rake and level panel. Position and mark the location of each panel post and drill 7 32-inch diameter holes, 2 7/8 inches deep, for the foot-lag screws. Temporarily mount each panel post in place. Slide the rake panels in place between the panel posts while resting on the tread nosing. Mark the posts at the appropriate height and angle so they are flush with the tops of the rake panels. Using the holes drilled in the panel's ends as a template, transfer these locations to the panel posts. For the level run panels, temporarily position the panels in place between the posts while elevating them to the desired code-compliant height. Mark the posts on the level run at the appropriate height and so they are flush with the tops of the level panels. Using the holes drilled in the panel's ends as a template, transfer these locations to the panel posts. Trim the top of each panel post and drill 3/8-inch through holes at the marks. Permanently mount the panel posts to the treads and landing using the supplied 2 3/4-inch post foot-lag screws. Secure the panels to the panel posts using 6 barrel fasteners per panel. Position the handrail on top of the panels. Using the pre-drilled holes in the panel top as a template, mark the bottom of the handrail for the rail screws. Drill 1/8-inch diameter holes 1 inch deep at the marks on the handrail bottom. Secure the handrail in place by installing the supplied 1 1/4-inch screws through the panels into the bottom of the handrail. Spacer newels may also be required to maintain spacing code between panels or if the run is 15 feet or longer. They simply mount to the tread or floor in the same manner as the panel posts. With the handrail in place over the spacer newel, use the top plate as a template to drill 1/8-inch diameter holes 1 inch deep into the handrail bottom for the screws. Secure the spacer newel to the handrail by installing the supplied 1 1/4-inch screws. The easy-to-install L.J. Smith panel system complements any home style.